Okay, year 8, so level 7 is the melody. Okay, so you're going to improvise and record a melody using the pentatonic scale. These are the notes that you can use. So we're going to go to add instrument, add track, and add an instrument track. I decided to go for a synth lead track, and I chose this one. But you can pick, obviously you have complete choice of what instrument you pick. It doesn't even have to be a synth. So let's call that melody. Right. So I want to use, let me make this bigger. I want to use CDEGA. Okay. You can use any pitch for those notes. Okay, not too low and not too high, but you don't have to stick to these 5, you could go up. So what I recommend you do, use that red, where is it? Use your red part here, click on this red little bar, and so this will loop your recording. You can then experiment. So I'm going to press play and experiment. Now what you don't want is another riff, okay? You don't want to have the same kind of 1 bar part that just repeats over and over again. So use longer notes and think about having a 4 bar phrase, okay? So something that moves around a bit and isn't just repetitive, not too repetitive. Okay, so I'm going to record something. This will be mostly improvised, which is fine. And you can record it over 4 bars or you can record it over 8 bars. I'm just going to do 4, but you may wish to do it longer. Okay, let's see how that turned out. Double click, select all the notes, quantize. And that's fine. There we go.